Yes, hello.
Hi there. My name is Susan Mara. I'm Director of Accounting and Finance at Evisys. And today I want to talk about the Lou QuickBooks Online integration. Lou handles all of your customer activity, your sales orders, your invoices, customer payments, work orders if you have a service business, point of sale transactions, and inventory management. All of that transaction-rich activity happens over in Lou. By having an integration with QuickBooks Online, you can now process your vendor payments on QuickBooks, your bank reconciliations, manage your general ledger, and generate financial statements. Great addition to the Lou product. So let's get started. First, from the Lou homepage, you're going to click on Lou Account. Then click on the Lou Integrations tile, QuickBooks Online tile, and make our connection active, telling Lou we want to talk to QuickBooks. You're going to get a pop-up window asking about billing. The service to connect Lou to QuickBooks is currently free of charge. Click on Configure, and there are 3 steps to this process. First, we're going to connect. Step 2 is to map the GL chart of accounts between Lou and QuickBooks Online. And we have a 3rd step that I will talk a little bit more about when we get to it. So let's start with connecting. Click on Connect to QuickBooks Online. It will prompt you for your QuickBooks Online credentials. It knows who I am because I've been in there before, so it pre-filled my credentials, but this is what you would use to log in to QuickBooks Online. Select Sign In. And now Lou is talking to QuickBooks. Actually, not quite yet because I have multiple companies. I will tell it which company I want to talk to. And it gives me a chance to confirm that I want to make this connection between Lou and QuickBooks. We'll say Connect. And now we show Connection Complete. And on this screen, we show Connected. The next step in this process is to map your chart of accounts. So Lou comes with a predefined list of GL accounts, so that each transaction that you run in Lou gets assigned to a specific account. You have to tell Lou which is the corresponding GL account in QuickBooks, so that the transaction activity, when it's exported from Lou and imported into QuickBooks, it goes to the right account. So we will click on Map My Chart of Accounts. Now, I've already done most of this for the various accounts on the left here. And here we have the QuickBooks chart of accounts. And you can see here that I have one not done. It's accounts receivable. So we will click on Actions. We will click on Update. And it brings a drop-down of our GL chart of accounts in QuickBooks, so that we can go down and pick the account that we want to map to. In this case, I want to map to Accounts Receivable Lou. We select that from our QuickBooks list, we say Save, and now Accounts Receivable in Lou is mapped to Accounts Receivable Lou in QuickBooks. And there you go. Chart of accounts is now all mapped. The last step of this process is a requirement of the programming between Lou and QuickBooks. QuickBooks requires that you have a generic customer and a generic vendor set up in QuickBooks. So I've previously gone into my QuickBooks account and created a customer I called generic and a vendor I called generic, so that we can map to that. So you can see that from this drop down, I can pick up my generic customer, my generic vendor from QuickBooks, and save that. So now everything is all set up. I'm ready to go, creating transactions in Lieu and exporting them into QuickBooks. If you would like to see how that process works, tune in to my video explaining the exporting of transactions from Lieu into QuickBooks. For additional information, you can go to our support page, lieusupport.evisys.com, type in the keyword QuickBooks, and you have a number of Lieu QuickBooks related articles that you can read for further information. Another resource for you is our YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/EvisysSoftware, where this video and other Lieu related videos are available for you. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.
Here's the Lieu.